Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, cool. That's great that we have 67 participants from start. So let's start with today's webinar. Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to today's session. Uh, I'm Rujita Joshi. I have studied from SNDT College in JDM Diploma and Degree 2. And now I'm working as jewelry designer as professional in a company. So I extend a very warm welcome to you all. So today's webinar is about good insight about jewelry industry and the career opportunities, and also mainly what course JDM offers, that is what course SNDT College offers in jewelry design. So yeah, so in uh, the hello.
Yes. Audible.
Yes, Rajita, you're audible.
Audible.
Okay. Uh,
Carry on, Rujita.
okay. So we'll know today the career opportunities available in luxurious jewelry industry, and also know about the jewelry design and manufacturing degree available in jewelry department in Premlila Vitthal Das Polytechnic, SNDT University. As said by Swami Vivekananda, arise, wake, and not stop till goal is achieved. Our college aims to create highest potential for benefiting students in 100% excellence and practical knowledge. Jewelry industry is one of the most luxurious industry, and we all have curiosity to know about what jewelry course SNDT offers, also how jewelry industry operates, what career opportunities and scopes and we expect here, what so how we can initiate a brand or so on. So to answer all these questions and many more, we are joined here by our principal, Dr. Sachin Ladda, and Madan Kendre, our HOD, our faculty member Kruti Chatwani, and jewelry designer and director of Sil- Rock Raga Silver Jewelry, contemporary silver jewelry, Shruti Agarwal. And also we have our star alumni that will share their experiences. Now, I will briefly explain the flow for today's webinar. First, I will invite Principal Sir to share the information and legacy of SNDT University. Subsequently, I will request Madan Sir to share brief information about the course and its features. Then Kruti ma'am can take over and explain the course in detail. Then we have a multi-skilled Ms. Shruti Agrawal. She will throw light on the various aspects jewelry industry offers, and also will share her own journey as jewelry designer till starting her own brand. Then each of our alumni will briefly express their journey.
Louder, louder. Sorry.
Can you hear?
Little louder.
Okay. So I'm starting. Yeah. Then each of our alumni will briefly explain their journey and will move on forward to Q&A sessions. Also, those who wish to ask questions may do so on the chat. We will try to cover as many as possible. I am very sure that you all will be enriched and about the knowledge about taking jewelry as your career. Now, our enthusiastic and success driven, one of the force behind all of us to derive excellence and always want something more and more, nehmi sangtat, ye dil mange more. Our beloved principal sir, Dr. Sachin Ladda. He is master in pharmaceutical chemistry, PhD holder. He holds 3 patents to his name. He also holds the record of being youngest principal in SNDT University. He is also involved in social activities, form a society named Sheetal Ladda Research Foundation with aim at empowering knowledge through education. He loves to discuss philosophical and spiritual thoughts with his students and colleagues and friends. I thank you so much, sir, for joining us. I will now request you to share brief information about SNDT University and its legacy. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Ruchita. I hope you all are audible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So SNDT Women's University, it's 105 years old women's university founded by Maharshi Dhundo Keshav Karve. He's the Bharat Ratna, right? enlightened woman is the strength of inspiration. That was the motto of our university. So in 1976, in order to have some sort of space in skill development related activity, SNDT Women's University established Prem Lila Vittal Das Polytechnic at Juhu, Mumbai. So our Prem Lila Vittal Das Polytechnic is having around almost 17 courses in one umbrella. So all are unconventional. And that's the reasons you guys know our webinar theme, unconventional routes to successful career, right? So in almost all, if we talk about Prem Lila Vittal Das Polytechnic, it's one of the first women's polytechnic in the state of Maharashtra, which is granting aid by government of Maharashtra, approved by All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. So almost all, we are having around 1700 students in PV Polytechnic. All belongs to different type of culture, right, from rural to urban. So in 1995, somewhere around, when there is a grant from World Bank for development of novel courses, unconventional courses. Right? अगर आप गौर करोगे, so ज्वेलरी प्रोफेशन की अगर हम जब बात करते हैं,
I'm sorry to interrupt. Anjali Pawar.
Sorry. So आप सभी को पता होगा कि ज्वेलरी डिजाइन अगर कोर्स की बात करें, so ours is the first ज्वेलरी एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट in across Asia. अगर एशिया में बात करोगे तो ये पहला कॉलेज दिखेगा कि जहां पर ज्वेलरी डिजाइन कोर्स रन किया जाता है. अगर आप गौर करोगे, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स प्रीवियसली ये लीगेसी वाला बात है. अगर मेरे पापा ज्वेलर है तो वो ज्वेलरी का नॉलेज मेरे में आया है. अगर मेरे पापा को लड़का नहीं है, लड़की है, तो वो ज्वेलरी नॉलेज वही खत्म हुआ. सो वी स्ट्रांगली फील कि क्यों ना ये नॉलेज हम लोग इसी वजह से वुमेन तक पहुंचाए. So that's the reasons in 1995 somewhere around, with the help of World Bank, we established this department. I proudly say this department is actually established with the help of British. So अगर एशिया में कहीं पर भी ज्वेलरी डिजाइन का कोई इंस्टीट्यूट ही नहीं था. So we need some sort of help. So British UK people, they established the entire department at PV Polytechnic. So as far as ज्वेलरी डिजाइन डिपार्टमेंट इज कंसर्न, अगर आप मुझे पूछो तो ज्वेलरी डिजाइन डिपार्टमेंट मेरे काफी दिल के करीब है. सो यही एक रीजन है, जितने भी वेबिनार हमारे आपने देखे होंगे अभी तक, ये सब हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट ने मॉडरेट किए. ये हमेशा जब ज्वेलरी डिजाइन डिपार्टमेंट की बात आती है तो कुछ तो भी अलग करना इनकी स्पेशलिटी है. एंड दैट्स द रीजंस दिस टाइम ओनली यू फाइंड कि एंटायर वेबिनार इज मॉडरेटेड बाय आवर ओन एलुमना. ये उनका थॉट था कि सर हम हमारे डिपार्टमेंट का नॉलेज और हम हमारे डिपार्टमेंट की चीज लोगों तक हम खुद पहुंचाएंगे. सो दैट्स द थिंग. JDM डिपार्टमेंट, ज्वेलरी डिजाइन डिपार्टमेंट एट PV पॉलिटेक्निक की अगर बात करें तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट जहां पर रिसेंटली इन 2015 समवेयर अराउंड द देन गवर्नर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र चीफ विद्यासागर जी राव, they invite our department to see what sort of activity, what sort of products we people are doing at PV Polytechnic. That's one thing. अब जैसे हम लोग बहुत बार देखते हैं, मेरे अपने स्टूडेंट जानते हैं मुझे बहुत करीब से, कि मैं अक्सर स्टूडेंट को ये बोलता हूँ कि भाई डिजाइन करना बहुत आसान है. जब आपकी ताजमहल की बात आती है तो ताजमहल का डिजाइन कोई भी बना सकता है, बट क्या वो डिजाइन को आप मैन्युफैक्चर कर सकते हो? यस माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज द ओनली इंस्टीट्यूट इन अक्रॉस इंडिया, आई मस्ट से, कि जहां पर डिजाइन के साथ साथ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग भी होती है. और अब पिछले 2 साल से हमने और एक चीज ऐड की है कि आपको डिजाइन के साथ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, और आपको मैन्युफैक्चरिंग भी वही करना है जिसके लिए मार्केट अवेलेबल है. So that's the uniqueness, that's the USP of jewelry design department at Prem Lila Vittal Das Polytechnic. My dear students, with this, I must say, you just visit. This is women only institute. तो मैं वहाँ आप लोगों की जो मेल कैंडिडेट बिलोंग करते हैं वहां पर सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन शेयरिंग मैं कर सकता हूँ. बाकी अगर आप लड़की हो तो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट. पायोनियर कैटेगरी में आते हैं. आप धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ोगे, आप चेक करोगे तो हमारे बहुत सारे जितने भी स्पीकर्स है, they all are प्राइज विनिंग alumna. मतलब इसमें से कुछ ऐसे हैं कि जिनको इंटरनेशनल स्कॉलरशिप मिली है. ठीक है. So that's the uniqueness of JDM. As far as courses is concerned, I hope Madan sir is the right person who will highlight on course related activity. So that's all from my end. Ruchita, over to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us great insight about the legacy of university. Also, as sir said, I would love to highlight the fact that SNDT University is pioneer in 100% training in jewelry education. They have their own lab setup, and this is the great thing. So now, our guide and support system, all of the student who is always eager for experimenting and helping students with their work. Our HOD, Madan Kendre sir, he is mechanical engineer, specially trained in jewelry design and manufacture from UK consultant. He has done MBA in manufacturing management, 10 years of international experience. He has helped set up jewelry schools in Mauritius, Dubai. He is guest lecturer at IDI Surat, Devgiri College, Aurangabad, Jewelry School Manipal, Nashik and Pune, and IIGJ Delhi. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Now I would request you to brief our audience about the course and feature and highlight.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Audible? सुनाई दे रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm Madan Kendre. I'm in charge of jewelry department, and my principal sir already said this is a unique department. We are the first in Asia, pioneer in jewelry education. I'm very happy to share that I'm there with starting of this department. It started in 1995. There was no formal jewelry education in India at that time, and the SNDT started jewelry designing and manufacturing. Previously, everyone used to say that the girls, how they can make a jewelry, but all dear audience, in world, in this jewelry manufacturing business, ladies numbers are more than gents. The reason is patience. To make a good jewelry piece, you need a patience, and ladies are the example of that patience. We are doing everything you can say in jewelry. We start from jewelry designing, manufacturing, final piece, and selling of the piece, already covered by my principal sir. So I will directly go what we offer at jewelry department, PV Polytechnic at SNDT Women's University. We offer diploma in jewelry design and manufacture, which is for 3 years duration, including internship. And after the completion of the course, we don't provide jobs because all our students are already absorbed by the companies where they are doing internship. That is the best thing in our course. The minimum qualification required is 10th pass from anywhere in the world or equivalent. Especially I am saying this because we don't need any domicile certificate from any particular specific state for this course. And this is university approved, UGC approved course where anyone can take admission from anywhere in India. The second course which we offer is BVoc in Jewelry Design, Bachelor of Vocational in Jewelry Design, which is again for 3 years. The requirement for this course is HSC or equivalent course. The lateral entry is also available for this course. Those who have completed their diploma from a reputed, recognized institute, they can directly enter in second year. Another speciality of this degree course is this is a multi-exit degree course. That means if you leave this course after 6 months, you are going to get a certificate in jewelry design. If you leave this course by some reason, if you leave this course after 1 year, you will get diploma. If you leave after 2 years, you get the advanced.
I'm sorry to interrupt, sir. Do we need a PowerPoint presentation to be shown now?
Yes, sir, you can. And
okay,
after completion of this course, you will get a BHoc degree. And after BHoc, there is no master's MHoc in India, but students, many of my students, they went to abroad for completing their masters. The special thing I want to mention here that our diploma students, many of our diploma students have completed their masters directly without any graduation in foreign institutes because they evaluate the credits, and our diploma credits are equal to degree also. We have internship for BHOK also. The students, they spend half time, of course, in a college, and another half time is in industry. They are certified by two bodies. Dual certification is available. University gives the certificate of degree certificate, plus the skill council, they also give a certificate for the students. So this degree is having dual certification. At after that, we have a jewelry designing certificate in jewelry design course also. That duration of this course is 6 months, and anyone can join. There is no pre-qualification required for that. Only the candidate should know how to read and write. And the main important thing for all these three courses is passion. If you don't have passion, you don't join this course. And I know that all the girls, after my speech, there are so many my alumni, those who have done very, very, very interesting and very appreciated things. They are working at very top level. Most of them have started. We can say that our 50% students, they start their own startup, and they are here to share your experience. If I'll say everything, then that might be ऐसा होगा कि मेरी पीठ थपथपाना. तो मेरे पास बहुत सारे ऐसे एलुमनाई हैं जो आएंगे, अपना शेयर करेंगे एक्सपीरियंस. We have MOUs with world's largest jewelry gold consuming company, that is Emerald. And surprise for you all people, that Mr. Srinivasan, MD of that company, is going to join in some time. So you have to wait for his and share, like listen to his thoughts. We have
That's great news, sir.
We have MOU with Infini Jewel. We have MOUs with Bridge Design Studio. We have MOU with Mahavir James. We have Infini Jewel, Infinity Jewel. Again, we have MOU with Creative James and Jewelry. We have more than 50 national and international awards. There is no competition in the world, I can say, that my student has not participated and won the award. But many are there. Even Rujuta, who is moderator today, she has won many awards. Then all the speakers, they have won the awards. Naming few, Mitali is there, Celestina, Varshita is there, Vipula, Iri, Ratika. So many. There was Akanksha Dadda is there. She won last year's Dubai Heritage International Award. So we have very well equipped facilities from designing to manufacturing and selling. Merchandising, retail management, human resource management are some subjects in our degree program. The students, they design, they make, they polish, finish, and they sell their design. We have some programs at our college, exhibitions. They participate in that and they sell their products. In that way, they get a courage how to deal with the customers, how to change the visitors into customers. We have latest technologies, equipments. We have CAD CAM. We have the CAM machine. We have CAD technology, where those who don't know about the CAD, I'm telling that previously the master model is made by the karigars, and once designer comes with some creative thing, the people used to say, those who make, they used to say that, okay, this is not manufacturable, I can't make this or that. Now my students, they don't ask anyone, they just go on the computer, they make their design, they get the manufactured piece, 3D piece in wax, and just give it to the karigar. Now they say, yes, now make it. And they know each and everything. Interestingly, all the students, they always come back to the college to share their knowledge. So that's why today we have two speakers. One is our lecturer staff, and another one is Miss Tuti Chatwani. She is having her own company, plus she is a lecturer at our institute. Again, we have Shruti Agrawal. She is also her own brand, and there are many of the students, those who have done exceptional. They are coming here to share their experience. Over to you, Rujuta.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing this information regarding jewelry design course.
Rujuta, आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
Can you hear my voice now?
Yes, yes, correct.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much, sir, for this information. As you mentioned, people with great passion can make impossible things happen. Now, moving forward, and to understand jewelry design course in detail offered by SNDT, I will request Kruti ma'am to give us insights regarding the same. Kruti Chatwani is one of our senior lecturer, been working in jewelry industry since past 2 decades on different levels such as lecturer, industry consultant for branding, communication and advertising. Her forte is converting ideas into concepts. She has done MBA and short courses from Gemological Institute of America. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us, and you can take it forward from here.
Thanks, Rujuta, for the warm introduction. And hello, everyone attending the webinar today. It's good to see so many jewelry enthusiasts on a Saturday evening, and the number has reached almost 83. Wow. We all are in challenging times as of now, but as wise people have said, let us take this obstacle as an opportunity and not as an obstruction. Opportunity, I would say, is because the role of a designer is even more important in this new normal. As in times like such, a designer is going to create a desire for the customer to enter the shop by communicating designs in different ways like never before. Am I audible, guys? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Kruti ma'am, yes.
Okay. The good part is that the jewelry industry is connected with each other and their clients via social media in a commendable way during these hard times. This, in fact, has increased the opportunities in jewelry industry. The opportunities that were not existing in earlier times are there in this period. Lots of new avenues have been opened up in recent times. So I would say that this is the best time to join the jewelry industry. It's not like earlier times when there were only opportunities for designers. Career opportunities in jewelry designing are vast, in jewelry industry are vast. You can be a merchandiser, quality controller, product development officer, visual merchandiser, working for CAD and CAM department, even heading some departments, even in social media or advertising. Like what I'm doing right now, I'm running an advertising firm where my role is working with the jewelry industry, apart from being a visiting lecturer at SNDT, JDM department. Talking about Jasani Department of Jewelry Design and Manufacture. Here we are striving harder to excel in imparting education year after year. Our courses are well structured such that individual creativity is honed. It is not necessary that the student should be very good with drawing skills. Like some of you all might think that what if I'm not good in drawing? What if I don't have a good pencil control? But that's not the case, that you can't be a successful jewelry designer. What is required is love, passion, and dedication for jewelry, creativity, and innovation. If you have that, guys, it's enough. And for this, we give holistic development and knowledge to our students, include not only in jewelry design and manufacture, but also in product development, product knowledge about precious and semi-precious gemstones. We have subjects like history, bookkeeping, yoga, etc. that will help them to become successful entrepreneurs. And you have some live examples in today's webinar after my talk that there are a lot of successful entrepreneurs who have passed out from our department. So to sum it all, my
Jyoti ma'am.
journey,
Jyoti ma'am, sorry to interrupt you.
yes, sir.
MD of Emerald Jewels Limited is just log in.
Okay,
Right.
great.
So I will interrupt you. So
Of
over
course,
to you,
sir.
Rujuta. You just welcome to our own well-wisher stakeholder, Srinivasan sir. Over to you, Rujuta.
Thank you, sir. Namaskaram.
Thank you for sparing
Hello,
time.
everyone. Welcome, sir. Welcome, Srinivasan, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank
We
you,
are
madam.
so excited to have you here.
Thank you.
As I say, Emerald Company is one of the largest gold. Hello,
Yes.
can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Yeah.
As I said, Emerald Company is one of the largest gold consuming industry in jewelry industry. We are so excited to have you here. I request Principal Sir Dr. Sachin Ladda to welcome Sir.
Srinivasan sir, namaskar.
Namaskar, sir.
And बहुत thank you कि आपने बिल्कुल एक 5 मिनट क्यों ना हो मेरे लिए निकाले, right?
अरे
So मित्रों मैं आपको बता दूं, Srinivasan sir very down to the earth personality, I must say. और अगर आप आगे जब उनको सुनोगे, you will find he is one of the largest gold consuming industry across world, I must say. ठीक है. और सबसे अच्छी बात है कि द पैशन बिहाइंड पैशन फॉर ज्वेलरी अमेजिंग. मुझे याद है अच्छे से, रात के 9:30 बजे मेरे बच्चों को उन्होंने 1 घंटा दिया. ऑल्दो उनके अपने कंपनी में काफी बिजनेस मीट चल रहे थे, और मेरे सामने फोन आया और सर ने बोला कि नहीं ठीक है, ये तो होते रहेगा, बट बडिंग फार्मासिस्ट, बडिंग ज्वेलरी डिजाइनर, इनके साथ मुझे बात करने में अच्छा लगेगा. सो थैंक यू सो मच श्रीनिवासन सर. So
Thank you,
Rujuta,
sir.
I hope you have some sort of question. So अगले 5 मिनट, क्योंकि सर का काफी बिजी शेड्यूल है, तो अगले 5 मिनट में आप सर से इंटरेक्ट करो. Over to you, Rujuta.
Of course. Welcome, sir. So,
Thank you, madam.
Sir, I would like to ask you, as you have visited our jewelry department. Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
madam.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, as you have visited our jewelry department, I would really like to hear from you that what kind of hello.
Yes,
Yes,
Rujita.
madam.
Yeah. What kind of expectation jewelry industry expects from new students, and what career opportunities they find in this industry? Please, can you answer this? This is the
Yes, I
most
will do. I
requested
will do
question we
it.
have.
I will do it. See, career opportunity is in our hand, right? If you do fantastic job, definitely there is a requirement. Okay. See, generally, if you ask this after COVID, if anyone know what is the future of jewelry industry, whether we can develop, maybe 90% people will say no. Okay, but I am different. I am very positive about the industry. 100% I am saying there is a career opportunity for the fittest person. Actually, no, you won't get opportunity for everyone. If you are different, your designs are different, your designs are innovative, your thoughts are different, and something very attractive for millennials, 100% you have a room. If you don't do that, if you just like that, actually, no, if you develop a design and actually, no, you want the opportunity, I think it is very difficult now, because this situation is very, very bad. I think you must have read that, actually, no, so many big companies now, they have gone bankrupt. So many things are happening. But still, actually, no, proudly I'm saying, actually, no, the last 50 days we have been doing the manufacturing. Last year we have made a cash profit also. So because actually, no, we have a vision, we have a will, we are understanding the market. So accordingly, we are willing to change according to the market too, so that we are getting a good response. I think very few companies can proudly say that they are in cash profit. Most of the people are in trouble. So same way I am saying a designer also, there is a ample of opportunity. See what I am doing now, actually my strength is actually 70%. My production order I am having only 40%. 30% I have a excess manpower. What I am doing is this entire 30% I am asking them to concentrate on new designs. Okay, new projects, how to maximize the sales. These are all the few areas we are concentrating. We are 100%, we are utilizing our labor. We are thinking about development. So actually market also giving a good response. Now actually today also I got from a very big retail chain. They are saying we want something new designs. We want to jointly work with you because I have a lot of capacity. I have a lot of ability, so that people are voluntarily coming and asking. So why I am saying this, whatever I am doing, same thing applicable for the budding designers too. Actually, if you are negative, yes, you will not get. If you are positive, definitely you will get the opportunity. So one and only thing, you have to dedicate yourself. You have to concentrate. Actually, devotedly you have to do. Then you should think about only jewelry design. You have to study what is going on in the market, what way we can make something new. These things, if the designers concentrate, definitely we have a very big opportunity in the jewelry industry. Actually, I have given, I think last year, I think we were 13, 15 people came for the internship. There, I have seen actually only 3 people very excellent. Then maybe 7, 8 people actually so. Another 3% very, very bad. Why that 3% is excellent? Because they had a passion. They have concentrated very well. Only because of that, actually they are getting a good name. So if other designers also follow the same thing, 100% they can also achieve. They can also do wonders in their career. Thank you very much, madam.